this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Well, in this video, I am creating this makeup look. So, ये Indian festive makeup look है. Well, राखी आ रही है कुछ दिनों में, so I thought why not create a look which is little more Indian. When it comes to Indian makeup look, मेरे दिमाग में just lot of kajal, kohl, smudged kohl comes to my mind. मैं step by step आपको सिखाऊंगी. So sit down with your makeup kit or make notes, whatever you like. Let's get started and learn this makeup look. And also, guys, little request before we start, subscribe to my channel, hit on the bell notification, and also if you like these videos, share them with your friends and family. I'm using this primer which is from NYX Professional Makeup. It's called Marshmallow Primer. Now I recently received this in my PR package and I'm very happy with the products that I got. They are really good. So using this and yes, of course, before this I moisturized my face. Let's go on to the foundation part. Using this foundation from NYX, really happy with this one also. This is the new launch. It's called Total Control Pro Drop Foundation. This I'm just shaking the bottle, and the shade that I've got is soft beige. This foundation is super easy to blend. It's very liquidy as you saw, so you won't have any problem in blending it. बहुत ही अच्छी coverage है इसकी. I am very happy with this foundation. I'm not kidding. Thank you NYX for sending this. मैंने फाउंडेशन डायरेक्टली ऐसे निकाल के ड्रॉपर्स अपनी स्किन पे डाल दिया था, बट आई वुड सजेस्ट डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज अगर वो आपकी ड्रेस पे गिर गया सो यू एंड अप स्पॉइलिंग योर ड्रेस. सो प्लीज वो मत करिए. इफ यू हैव अ मिक्सिंग पैलेट लाइक दिस, देन आप इस पे निकाल लीजिए फाउंडेशन एंड देन अप्लाई इट, और एल्स आप अपने हाथ पे पहले थोड़ा सा लेके एंड देन you apply the foundation. Okay, so I'm using this brush to apply the foundation. This is from pack, it's 003. So I'm taking a beauty blender and thoda sa just dabbing everything into my skin. Okay, after this मैं ये concealer ले रही हूँ. This is from Maybelline. It's called Age Rewind Concealer. The shade that I'm using is called Medium. ऑनेस्टली मुझे याद नहीं है मैंने कब लास्ट टाइम अपने भाई को राखी बांधी थी. मैं हमेशा उसे राखी पोस्ट करती हूँ बिकॉज माई ब्रदर इज इन दी आर्मी एंड आई रियली डोंट रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम वी सेलिब्रेटेड दिवाली, होली, राखी और एनी फेस्टिवल टुगेदर. वी आर ऑलवेज इन डिफरेंट सिटीज एंड just sharing it with all of you so that I feel little better. I was just, my heart was a little heavy while when I started doing this video. थोड़ा सा मुझे बुरा लग रहा था. Like every festival I really miss my family. Like I do have my husband's family with me all the time, but थोड़ा सा अपना भाई, family, मम्मी पापा, I really miss them. Let's get happy again. Sorry for sharing all that. I was just getting a little emotional. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of loose powder. So this is a translucent loose powder that I'm using. It's from Mercier. You all know it. I always use that powder. So just applying a little bit under the eye for my concealer to set. Okay. So मैं इस पाउडर को ज़्यादा देर नहीं रख रही हूँ because then my under eye becomes very dry. So just keeping it for few minutes. So just applying some powder on the lid also. If you don't set the concealer or the foundation that you've applied on your eyelid, आपकी eye makeup crease हो जाएगा. If you have an oily skin, then please apply a little bit of compact powder all over your face. I don't have an oily skin. In fact, I have a dry skin and I hate applying powder on my face. I do it very rarely. और मैं साथ में चाय भी पीती जा रही हूँ. For filling my eyebrows, I'll be using this product. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's an eyebrow pomade and the shade is medium brown. आपको सारे product की details description box में मिल जाएगी. For the eye makeup today, I'm using this palette from Morphe. This is James Charles palette. First shade that I'm using is this. Taking this flat crease brush from pack. Guys, I recently bought some you know, brushes from Morphe also, and they are so good. Their brushes are really good. They have really changed my makeup game. I'll take this brush. Now this is from PAC, it's 391. Now I'll take this kind of a shade here. I'm applying it in the outer corners and of course taking it a little bit on the crease also. Now I'm taking this brush again, and the first brush that I used to apply the crease color and the same color जो हमने पहली बार crease पे लगाया था, so I'm taking that and applying it on the crease again. Here this is little orangish, मुझे थोड़ा सा और brown tone में जाना है, so I'm taking this color now जो इसके पास में है. This is a little more brownish, and again I am just blending this color on the crease. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and going back and just blending everything to make sure there are no harsh lines left. Okay, now I want to apply like a nice shimmery shade, something which is not very dark. So I'm taking this shade using a flat brush. Wow, this is a gorgeous shade. It's so beautiful. If you don't have a flat brush, you can always use your fingers. So I have this highlighter which is from PAC. The number is 01. It's called Baked Highlighter. So I'm taking this. It's a beautiful shimmer shade. So I also use this as an eyeshadow also. Just applying that in the inner corners. Taking my favorite gel eyeliner. This one is from Maybelline. So I'll just create like a thin line. Taking this black kajal pencil, this is from Faces, applying it in the waterline. I usually don't apply a lot of kajal unless I'm wearing something Indian. Now I'm taking a pencil brush, and so there are these two dark shades in this palette. This is a little brownish and this is a black shade. So I will first take this, and I'll see if I need to take the black one. So I'm just taking this dark brown shade. I usually don't like to smudge black eyeshadow. I mean, it looks very, I don't know, I'm not just fond of black, and I would suggest just take like a darkish shade of brown, and even if you have to take black, just mix it with brown a little bit, but just don't take like pure black. That doesn't look nice. Eyes look so incomplete without mascara. So curling my lashes, my favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Alright, so I applied some lashes also. These lashes are from PAC and they are number 53. Very lightweight, and I just love them. Using this Fenty Beauty bronzer to contour my face. This is in shade Caramel. For the blusher, I'm taking this MAC blusher. इसका shade number मुझे नहीं पता है, इसकी sticker पे नहीं है. It's a really old blusher, that's why. So it's this pinkish blush. Time for some highlighter. So using this highlighter from PAC, shade 01. This is very pigmented, so if you have this, be careful. Just take very little quantity and blend it properly. I forgot to contour my nose when I was contouring my face, so just doing that now. You know, because I applied a highlighter right here. So in case if you don't contour your nose, then just apply the highlighter at the bridge of your nose. Your nose in pictures will look like really big. Some highlighter on the brow bone as well. Don't forget that. It looks amazing, especially when you're doing an Indian look. For the lipstick, I'm using this matte lipstick in shade Mehr. Now this is a beautiful shade and I think it goes with every Indian skin tone. Now mixing this liquid lipstick, which is from Huda. This is shade Boonie. I am really into liquid lipsticks and I think they're so long lasting and easy to apply. Guys, this is my final look. I hope आप लोगों को ये look अच्छा लगा हो. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep supporting, keep showing your love. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy Rakhi to all of you. Take care. Enjoy this festive season with your friends and family. And don't forget, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed.